How to get your first job when you're 20. Getting your first job, no matter how old you are, can be a difficult task. While some people start working as soon as they graduate from high school, many others wait until they have completed a 2 or 4 year degree. You can find yourself in your 20s with no work experience. Don't worry, even if you don't have a resume, you should be able to get work quickly at 20. Make a professional resume. While this may seem tough given your lack of work experience, it is still necessary to have a resume that details what you have done, particularly since leaving school. To begin, make a note of every educational experience you have had, whether it was in high school or college. If you haven't completed your education but have attended some classes, list these as well if they are relevant. Include anything else that demonstrates your skills and abilities, such as internships or volunteer work. Choose where you want to apply. Job opportunities might be found online or in local classified sections. Prepare to start at the bottom and work your way up because you are young and have no work experience. Depending on your abilities and educational background, the best places to apply can differ greatly. If you only have high school graduation, you might want to look into careers that don't require many schoolings, such as retail, restaurant, customer service, or support staff. Apply in fields related to your discipline if you have some college or a college diploma. Send your resumes and cover letters to companies that you are interested in working for. With the advent of online job advertising, sending your CV and cover letter to hundreds of organizations by email has never been easier. However, make sure your cover letter is tailored to each unique job and follows the job's specific application requirements. Nothing will have your application rejected faster than failing to provide the information required by the company or failing to follow the application instructions. Job interviews are required. Make an excellent first impression by dressing professionally. You want to make sure the employer understands you are serious, motivated, and hardworking because you are still young at 20. Because you lack work experience, you must also demonstrate your ability to succeed at the position through your interview performance. When asked about past achievements, academic or otherwise, that translate into the talents required by the company, provide detailed answers and examples. After the interview, send a thank you note. This is an excellent approach to stand out from the crowd while yet appearing professional and responsible. You can also follow up around a week after your interview to ask if they've made a decision or if there's anything further you can do to help your application.